Good morning, my name is Fritz. I give you a brief introduction in the KOWOSCAN X50 film digitizer and how we scan your films. This is the digitizer itself. It's got a big flap here in the front, a light table on the bottom and a camera behind in here in the middle, a high resolution camera which is digitizing the film. The inner side is everything is dark because we don't, it's not good to have reflections inside. From the operation, we just connect to the power supply and with the USB cable to the laptop. This is a standard laptop, but it must have a fast 3.0 USB connection. All other features must not be that fancy. It's a standard normal laptop. Then we have the main button here and the switch for the light table here. We switch that on and let's get it warm a bit, and then we can start working. So far just disconnected the camera now. So we switch it on again with this left button, on switch button. Now it's green and the camera is on. This we can see because then the cooling of the camera is starting here. It's set to 15 degrees and now it's going down from 23 to 15 like this. We come back on this later, but now I show you first. Most important thing is to avoid any dust and dirt on the light screen and the films, because otherwise, of course, this dust is also digitized on your film. So we just clean the light surface. And then here we have, because in our program there was still no mask for 7 by 17-inch films, only 14 17-inch films. Therefore, we made this little dark foil covers, which we can put in here. And so we have in the middle, we have a window of 7 by 17-inch. This white transparent foil is just to cover the gap between the film and the mask, so we don't get too much light through this gap. When it's cleaned, we can put the mask in here. We have in the back of this lower surface, there are 2 pins, and these 2 holes on the mask must go onto the pins. Then I press this down and fix it. Then I put in the covers, and then first of all I have to do is to find the correct exposure time and to draw the gain image. Therefore I have to close, so don't have anything outside light inside, just the box. Now we see, I need my glasses. Now we see the temperature already came down to 14, so it's around plus minus 2 degrees. We leave that all like it is, but here we say automatic exposure time. We say run, and then here a little warning comes up that we should be sure that the illumination is on and there's no dust in. We say yes, and then it takes 5 frames and determines the exposure time. You will see here, so it's 5 milliseconds. And once we have this, we can say, please acquire the gain image now. I press acquire, same warning like before. I say okay. It takes 16 frames now for acquiring the gain image. Meanwhile, I can explain what that means. The gain image is now taken just from the mask and mainly from the surface of the light table. And this gain image will be stored in a certain folder, and from there, every time you take an image of a film, the gain image is taken and subtracted from the film image. So all the imperfections on the light table surface are subtracted from the film. So then if you take an image of a film, you only have the information of the film on the image. Okay, that's done. Then I say OK. When I say OK, the gain image is stored in this folder, and I have this here, this red exposure button. Now I'm ready for putting the first film. By taking the gain image, the mask which is in is identified also already, and you see it's mask ID 31. It's a 47 by 14 inch film, and now it knows there will be only one film. So we are ready now. We open the scanner and we take your film. It's TPB 11 34 to 35.